Haven't touched this baby in a minute. Alright, what we about to do? We about to swap out this rack. Next we about to take off these style 5s. Just gonna rebuild the whole front end. Everything new. Just removed the cruise control bracket. There's 2 of them. Working on this bracket. This one's ready to go. Down, molded in. It's like the custom box I did. Shout out to my boy Ariel too. Alright, you got that last bolt. And this side will be almost done. And we got to start working over on that side. So this is where we are. We're about to grind all of this down, smooth it out, fill it. So this is where we are. Just gotta weld up all these holes tomorrow. Finish this side, weld up the holes, start applying some fiberglass filler. This is the good thing about this welder I want to show you guys. Pull this pin. Back at the wire tuck, here we go. Remove these Torx bits. It's a 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fuse box will move up. What we did now, because if you don't know, my fenders are molded, so I can't remove my fenders to do a wire tuck. So what we did in here, we drilled the hole on the back side. Run the wires through there, in the fender, and underneath. Easy job. Yeah, that's what she said. We're live, back again at Luke Kane M3's garage. Yeah, we don't sponsor them, but it tastes good. All right, now what were you saying? You're going to change out what?
I'm going to change out the race pipe.
Race pipe?
It's not a test pipe. It's a race pipe.
Okay.
It's 3 inches. It's a race pipe.
All right. First, all right, here we go.
Bloopers.
Yeah. All right, here with my boy Ricky.
Yep.
Let's see if I can get this freaking stupid ass gimbal to work right. All right, here we go. What are we doing on this car? What is this? You got to explain to the viewers what we're working on.
What we're doing is the camshaft follower, which is maintenance stuff.
What kind of car is this?
08 Audi A4 2.0T.
All right.
And yeah, hopefully if I have enough time, we'll do the downpipe today.
You got the downpipe? Where's the downpipe?
It's in the garage.
Oh, no, there you go.
Oh, you got it, yeah.
My son Tyson. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah, Tyson's my helper today.
Oh, Tyson's your helper. Let's look at this part. Look at this mod. It's a nice mod right here. So this downpipe gets rid of, if you look right here, the stock cat. And if you look at this little 90, you put the oxygen sensor in there, and it fools the car's computer into thinking that it still has the cat in there. Alrighty.
Which means straight pipe.
Shoot some flames.
I hope. I got my first cross in that one though, you know, man.
Yeah,
So,
we'll do
the
something.
car's already straight pipe from the cat back. So now I'm gonna be straight pipe from the turbo back, the 3-inch.
And then probably watt box.
Soon to come, yeah.
Yeah.
Soon to come.
I'm gonna have to grab one of those too.
Yeah.
Shoot some hella flames.
Oh,
Optimum.
yeah,
That's what we do. We like systems. We like loud music, so we run yellow tops, red tops, multi batteries, 0 gauge wire. That's how we do it.
Don't forget my little itty bitty fuse box right here. My little fuse for the system.
That thing is monster. Look at that freaking monster wire. Come on now.
Yeah, that's how we do over here, man.
If you're doing performance and systems, you gotta have all 0 gauge.
Nothing but the bus.
Yeah, that's how we do. All right, what's up, Rick? Back again next day.
Yes.
Everybody see there's snow on the ground. Back at Rick's Audi, and you did end up doing a downpipe last night.
I got lucky with it, though.
You see, you got lucky with it?
Yeah. I stripped 2 of the bolts I ordered. So luckily I was here and I put a nut and a bolt on it.
How's it drive?
That's good. Except for the misfire from Pet Boys. Some of the wrong freaking plugs.
Pep Boys, you gave my boy the wrong spark plugs. Yeah, wildin', man. All right, that's what we are. Little fixed up, little mod.